money is all mine now.
Oh no!
Why are you being cruel to me? For you, Mom will find a way to survive. Child, life will get better and better. We have finally returned home.
What would need to earn more money?
Do you still want to cooperate with this bad guy? You don't deserve my money.